Hi there! In this video, I'll be giving you a quick guide on how you can send money using the MoneyGram app so you can transfer funds quickly and safely. So first, you will have to download the app first, whether you're using your mobile phone or your laptop or whatever device that you are using before proceeding to the next steps. So yeah, open the MoneyGram app and you will just have to sign in or create an account if you don't have one yet. Next, you will just choose send money and pick whether you're sending to a person for cash pickup, a bank account, or a mobile wallet. And after that, you will just have to enter the recipient's details like their full name, country, and any bank or mobile wallet information required. Then you will input the amount that you want to send and review the exchange rate and fees shown. Next, you will choose your payment method, whether debit card, credit card, or bank transfer, and enter the payment details. And finally, review everything carefully and confirm the transfer. Save the reference number or screenshot the confirmation. And another quick tip, you will just have to add a short note or a phone number for the recipient if there's an option. And that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Have a good day.